Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yeah, you guessed it, another freebie. Now, I gave you a nice analog watch face earlier, and today we decided to give you something a little bit more casual. And if you're going to be out on a run, this probably is going to be the perfect watch face for you. Now, it's only a 12-hour format. Sorry for the 24-hour format, people. We got more coming, all right? But the name of the watch face is called GPG Digital 4 BW. It's a simple black and white version of this watch face. I think they got this in color, but this one here is free for the taking, and it looks really nice so far as the digital time is concerned. Now, in the AOD mode, it has a traditional analog look. It's going to look nice in this mode. And once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. First, up at the top, you are going to get the day of the week, your month, your year, and also you're going to get the date itself. Going to get your distance, right? Miles walked or ran. Going to get your step info, calories burned, heart rate, get your battery info down at the bottom. And of course, you're going to get a stacked digital time, which looks super, super awesome. But listen, considering that this looks really, really basic, it does offer some features, right? So if I double tap on the steps, you can get the info on your steps. So if you're going out on a run and you need to know your step information or things that has to do with exercising, you can get into it right there. Same thing for, of course, your battery info. And if you want to set an alarm, tap on the 23 and you can be able to set an alarm. So I thought this was pretty cool for a casual, basic watch face. Not bad, right? Not bad at all. But again, I need to know, people, is it a download? Is it a download? All right, you all, go ahead, continue to get set up for the weekend. Because me, I'm going to get out. I'm still going to do some videos, but I'm going to get out. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.